This is how Finnish sounds to those who don't speak it.
Lainuviri söntääpi rennokaa Suomi laikanteru, ja holmiva talo sirjanteesi vaulukoon. Nahripä vesi aurnikkei tomuranta, kun aurinko haipaleen yrtimässä rolnukeen. Ystävä, Maurinki selottaa metsävarkiin, mutta tuolannee kuu harjoteli raivunkaa. Sointava liihenko räpsätöi nunkaalei, ja mörkinen haullapa tirjokuu vaallisen.
Finnish, or Suomi, is a Finno-Ugric language distinct from most of Europe's Indo-European tongues. It features vowel harmony, extensive case markings, and a famously phonetic spelling system. Finnish uses 15 grammatical cases to express relationships that other languages show with prepositions. It's also known for compound words, expressive verb forms, and a melodic rhythm shaped by alternating long and short sounds.